and this poem is called Nature. The cocks crow and the hens cackle, it is their nature so. The cocks display plumage and stride in majesty, while the hens admire, it is their nature so. The hens lay eggs that hatch into active chicks, it is their nature so. The cocks wrestle over hens, and the hens patiently wait for the winner, it is their nature so. They shall be eaten with rice, over chess and over dice, it is our nature so. Well, this poem is simply talking about the basic nature of things, and it is using the nature of cocks to intimate what they do generally as a microcosm of what humans do as well. And we know there's procreation in humanity. In fowls or lesser beings, it's in the form of eggs with us babies, and courtship display that is done with birds, with fowls and so on is also done by humans, maybe probably now with more modern technology like the internet and dating sites and so on. But then it comes to the end that all what the cocks do has an ending, which is death. They are going to be eaten by men. And for us men, our end is probably going to be that we are going to be eaten by the monster of death. So it is a poem that borrows from the lives that fowls live and gets to empower our own understanding of ourselves in order to arrive at the cosmic end of living things, which is death.